one doctor recommended Dulcolax. Use Dulcolax tablets for gentle overnight relief, suppositories for relief in minutes, and stool softeners for comfortable relief of hard stools.
This little brat.
Dulcolax, designed for dependable relief.
Okay, so we want to go. We're gonna go all go this afternoon.
Do what?
So where we all gonna go this afternoon?
Hobby Lobby, and then probably Home Depot or Lowe's or one of those places.
Ingredients like roasted hazelnuts and cocoa. Nutella adds a smile to any morning. Nutella, for the happy.
Olay Generous renews from within, plumping surface cells for a dramatic transformation without the need for fillers. With Olay, you age less, so you can be ageless. Olay, ageless.
At Outback, we've got one question for you. How blooming big are you going? Want to indulge in a tender, juicy 22-ounce bone-in ribeye or take on the giant tomahawk? And hurry in for a free $10 bonus card with every $50 gift card.
I was tired of my chronic constipation and the way it made me feel. The discomfort, the bloating, the straining. I just felt this way for too long. So I finally talked to my doctor about my symptoms. I tried laxatives before. He prescribed Amatiza, lubiprostone, for my chronic constipation. It works differently than laxatives.
Amatiza is clinically shown to help deal with common symptoms like bloating, abdominal distension, hard stools, and help people with chronic constipation go more often. Don't take Amatiza if you have a bowel blockage or severe diarrhea. Tell your doctor if your nodular diarrhea becomes severe, or if you experience chest tightness or shortness of breath. The most common side effects are nausea, diarrhea, and headache.
Amatiza helped me find relief from my chronic constipation. Ask your doctor if Amatiza is right for you.